Gemini, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my link tree. Link is in the bio. I do have a special treat for you. Your word of the day is transformation, confirmation. Things are changing around you. Your abilities, you become stronger, wiser. Abilities that were harder for you to maintain a month ago is a piece of cake and second nature to you right now. So keep on digging. That's when you find that gold and you transform to a bigger, stronger, wiser being. Therefore, bigger blessings can come your way. You'll be able to maintain them. They won't feel like a ball and chain. They'll feel like a feather where you actually will enjoy the place that you're walking into. I'm constantly evolving. I improve inwardly by working on my weaknesses and refining my strengths. Life ensures that I'm presented with situations that will help me learn and grow. And I'm aware of my progress, and I open my wings to light, and I get ready to receive the maximum blessing that I'm working for. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.